Welcome to Buildawebs, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can automatically back up your WordPress website. You might ask what a backup is. A backup's basically a copy of your website that you can store on file that you can then use in the future if there's a problem with your website. Examples of problems might be that you make a change that you didn't want to make and then you'd have to rebuild a section that you could just take previous copy and then use that. Or for example, if the website completely breaks, you can use the existing backup. Now let's have a look how you can install a plugin to create backups. So if we go back into WordPress and then we go to plugins and add new and we search for Updraft, and then we find this one here that's the backup plugin. Click install now. And choose activate. Then in the list of plugins, let's go to the settings next to Updraft Plus. And let's create a backup. So to create a manual backup, you just click this here and just tick all three boxes, choose backup. And then when this bar's across, it'll appear at the bottom. There it appears. And you can repeat the process again, choose backup now, and you'll see that you can create multiple backups. And there it is, there's two different options. If you wanted to download the backups, for example, you can do that by just clicking on them and then choose download to the computer. So now let's have a go at breaking something potentially on the website and then putting the backup over it. So say for example we've got pages and we'll open this in a new tab. Currently, if we open this here, we've got an about page and there it is. If we delete this page, so we'll just trash it and go to the trash folder and let's delete it. Should see that it goes from being on the about page there to the page not existing anymore. And it might be that we've done this in error and we've lost a lot of our content. So we can get it back by going back into here and we can choose to restore it. So let's just delete the bottom one and let's use the top one. So you just click restore, tick all of these boxes, click next, choose restore. And there, the restore is successful. So then if we go back on this page and we refresh, we'll see that the about page is now here and we fixed the problems on the website. Now let's have a look how you can create automatic backups. So we'll just close this page down. Let's close that one down. Just click back. And then we'll go back in to Updraft Plus. You can do that by going here and choosing settings. And now we're going to choose how often we want it to create a backup. So on here, I'm going to choose weekly, but you can choose whatever you feel. And then how many it should retain. So we're just going to leave it on 2. And then the next thing to do is to link it to cloud storage. And you can get cloud storage through many of these for free, up to a certain amount of storage. I use the Google Drive because you can get 15 gig, and then all you need to do is set yourself an account up and head to here. I'll put a link in the description of the video, and then you basically just click on this, you go through a few steps, and then you've got cloud storage set up, and you go back into WordPress, you choose the drive that you want, and then you scroll to the bottom and you click Save Changes. And then it brings up this link here once you've saved. So all you need to do is click on this here. Log in with the account that you created your Google account with, and then just choose Allow. Then click Complete Setup. And then it's ready to do automatic backups, and like we showed before, it'll do it every single week and it'll store it to the Google Drive. There's also other features that are covered in Updraft. You can clone your website, so you just buy some tokens by doing this, and then you can work on your website whilst it's being live, and then you just work on the clone, and you can make whatever changes you want, do whatever you want without breaking the live site. So it's very, very good. And then if you go over to Premium and Extensions, it's got a comparison between the free and the premium. I'll put a link in the description if you want to upgrade. But basically, it just offers so many more features. Big one is the support, that you can get in touch with them whenever needed. So yeah, have a look at that. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you haven't already, please subscribe for future videos. I'm Jonathan from Buildawebs, and thank you for watching the video.